Pour Coca-Cola over soap for a genius cleaning hack. First, grate a bar of soap and place it in a pot. Add 300 milliliters of Coca-Cola to cover the soap shavings. In a glass, dissolve a tablespoon of baking soda in water. It's a quick and proven method. Then add it to the pot with the soap and Coca-Cola. Cook the mixture over low heat. It will start to foam, which means it's ready. Once the mixture reduces by half, transfer it to containers and seal them tightly. Let it set for a few hours. Once solid, use it to restore your favorite pots. Just rub the mixture onto a sponge and wipe the pot. This formula is gentle on non-stick surfaces and works like magic. You'll be amazed at how easily it removes tough stains and grime. Plus, it's an eco-friendly solution that saves you money on commercial cleaners. Apply this mixture to the burnt pan. You'll be surprised by the results. To prepare this amazing cleaner, you'll need ingredients you likely already have at home. First, take a small bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of coffee to it, preferably ground coffee. Next, add 2 tablespoons of salt. The fine salt crystals act as a gentle abrasive, helping to remove stubborn stains and burnt spots. After that, pour in 2 tablespoons of dish soap. The soap helps eliminate greasy and tough stains. Mix everything carefully until you have a smooth paste. Apply the mixture to the burnt surface and let it sit for a few minutes. During this time, the ingredients will work their magic. Then, scrub the pan with a sponge. The results are almost immediate. Use this trick regularly, and your pans will look as good as new. Enjoy clean pans, and don't forget to share this trick with your friends. Squeeze lime juice onto charcoal. Start by taking a piece of charcoal and placing it in a plastic bag. Then take a wooden spoon and crush the charcoal into small pieces. Continue doing this until it's finely ground. Transfer the crushed charcoal onto a sieve. This is an important step to remove any larger pieces. Next, take a lime and cut it in half. Squeeze the juice into a bowl with the crushed charcoal. Mix the 2 ingredients thoroughly until a paste forms. Now, take a burnt pot and apply the paste. Spread the mixture over the damaged area and gently scrub it. This paste is perfect for removing stubborn burn marks from the pot. The abrasive properties of charcoal combined with the acidity of lime juice effectively remove burnt residues. Your pot will be clean and ready for use again. This paste works well on other burnt kitchen appliances too. A clever trick for cleaning a burnt induction cooktop. No scrubbing or scratches. This method takes just a few minutes and helps keep your induction cooktop spotless, preventing tough stains and white marks from building up. Here's how to do it. Pour a small amount of dish soap into a bowl and mix it with water. Take a dry cloth and dampen it with the soapy water. Evenly sprinkle baking soda over the surface of the cooktop. Baking soda helps to remove stubborn stains. Place the damp cloth over the dirty areas and leave it there for about 10 minutes. This allows the baking soda to penetrate and lift the grime. The dish soap enhances this effect. Afterward, thoroughly wipe down the induction cooktop. This step is crucial to avoid residue buildup. Just a few minutes of daily care can prevent permanent stains from forming. A simple coin solved the oven problem. From now on, cleaning the oven is a piece of cake. Finally, all the burnt residues have disappeared. I used a natural mixture. I also used the coin trick. To prepare the special mixture, use 1 small cup of baking soda. Pour in half a cup of water. Add another cup of spirit vinegar. Do it gradually because foam will surely form. It's a reaction from the combination of soda and vinegar. This mixture works wonders in the oven. Take a dish sponge. Apply the mixture to the burnt areas. Cover all the burnt residue that has baked onto the bottom of the oven. Do it thoroughly. Put the rest of the mixture in the oven. The dish must be heat resistant. Close the oven. Set it to 100 degrees. Turn it on for about 40 minutes. After this time, remove the bowl. Start cleaning the grate. Just a regular spong is enough for this. You don't have to scrub anything. The burnt residue comes off on its own. Flip the grate over. After a short while, it's as good as new. Also, wipe the glass on the oven door. The dirt and residue are gone. Now start removing the mixture from the bottom of the oven. Use the sponge to remove the soda and burnt residue. The burnt residue comes off as if by magic. Just gather all the dirt. It's almost unbelievable. After a while, there won't be a trace of dirt or burnt residue. If there are any individual burnt spots left, you don't have to make the soda, water, and vinegar mixture again. Just use the coin trick. It's very simple and effective. Rub the burnt spots with the coin. They'll come off for sure. Any place that the soda didn't neutralize for some reason, you can remove with the coin. As a result, the oven is finally truly clean and shiny. The burnt residues are gone. It's hard to believe it's the same oven. The whole secret is the mixture of soda with water and vinegar and the coin. Apply it to the induction hob. It'll be as good as new without scrubbing. When the induction hob is dirty, there's a simple solution. Stains, streaks, and even burnt spots will disappear as if by magic. Just use 2 products that you surely have in your bathroom. Take shaving foam and apply it to the induction hob. A few strips are enough. Also, use toothpaste. Squeeze it in a few places. Toothpaste makes cleaning many surfaces easier. It also removes greasy stains and disinfects. This simple trick will deal with dirt on the glass surface of the induction hob. See how easy it is? It looks strange, but it really works. Shaving foam is often recommended for removing various stains. After all, it's a certain type of soap. So it's perfect for cleaning delicate surfaces. Cover the induction hob with cling film. Do it carefully. Once the film covers the induction, press the foam with toothpaste firmly. These 2 products will mix and cover the entire surface. Leave the induction hob like this for a few minutes. The foam with toothpaste will work during this time. Then spread the white foam again. Remove the film and throw it away. Collect the rest of the mixture with a paper towel. You don't have to scrub anything. All the dirt will come off with the foam. Finally, wipe the hob dry and it's done. It will be shiny and clean as new. See and evaluate the difference. Shaving foam with toothpaste is indispensable in this case. Aluminum foil will clean your oven. If your oven is heavily burnt, this trick will definitely come in handy. Take a dishwasher tablet, as it contains many active substances that effectively handle grease and stains. Prepare a small bowl and place the tablet in it. Add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir the mixture and let it dissolve. Apply the prepared mixture to the dirty walls of the oven using a sponge. Soak the sponge generously and squeeze it over the burnt food. Next, use aluminum foil. Simply tear off a few pieces and cover the surfaces you previously treated with the tablet solution. If the oven walls are dirty, the foil will hold the substance in place and prevent it from dripping. Leave the prepared oven for 2 hours. During this time, the active ingredients will dissolve the dirt and you won't have to lift a finger. After this time, simply remove the foil and roll it into a ball. Then lightly rub the inside of the oven. The surface of the foil will lift off the remaining burnt food without scrubbing. You can immediately see how everything comes off beautifully. Finally, wipe everything down with a paper towel or dry cloth, and you're done. The oven shines and looks like new.